Today is a big day for the bread truck. Some of my dreams are coming true, guys. The bread truck is going lithium. Lion Energy lithium batteries are going in the bread truck today. The Lion Energy Safari UT1300. I got two of them. This is a total of 210 amp hours of battery bank, lithium battery bank. Pretty excited to get these in. All right, look at this, 210 amp hours of lithium I can carry with one hand. I am saving so much weight on my battery bank here. Not that it really matters on my rig, but yeah. Oh. Here we go. These are going in today. Lithium batteries in the bread truck. For today's operation, we're going deep within the belly of the bread truck. We have to go under the bed where the battery bank is located, and we're going to take out 4 AGM sealed batteries that are 6 volt and put in 2 12 volt lithium ion batteries. So these are from Lion Energy. I am a product ambassador or affiliate marketer or something with them. I forget what they called it, but I did get these at a discount. I paid some money, but I did not pay full price. So just to disclose that right off the bat, they are sponsoring this video, sort of, with product that I paid for, in a way. Anyways, these are going in. They're going to be going underneath the bread truck, so it's going to be tight quarters, and camera angles will be what they are. Bear with me. One thing I see right off the bat with these batteries is that the labeling leaves a little bit to be desired. It's not a huge deal, but if I paid a lot of money, I wouldn't want the labeling to look like this. These have been in my truck for about 6 months, but they didn't quite look like this coming out of the package, but it was close. They didn't fit right, and you know, it just looks a little cheap or something. Now, that being said, I've seen Will Prowse's review of these batteries, and I trust what he says. He gave them a good review. You know, he said that they're a decent battery. The BMS in these are capable of doing quite a lot. He really likes the BMS in these batteries. He said that the cases could be a little bit stronger, but he did say that the quality of the case build was a little bit less than a Battleborn, and I can see that. It feels a little bit different, but I'm not worried about it. I just need the lithium inside to work. So this isn't going to be in a wet environment, or, you know, I don't know. I'm not too worried about the quality of the build on the battery itself, as long as they work. That's all I'm really worried about. They're going to be under my bed, which is very dry and temperature controlled for the most part. I did ask Will Prowse if he wouldn't mind if I used him for the authority on these batteries. So there's a link to his video right up here. Right up here. I'll put a link to his review of the Lion Energy batteries for reference. Thanks, Will. You're the best. All right, got both lithium batteries right here, going under the bed. Here we are under the bread truck. This is my current battery bank right here. It is 4 AGM batteries at 190 amp hours each, but they're 6 volts, so I got them in series and parallel, and we're talking 380 amp hours of AGM batteries. I'm going to replace these 4 with the 2 Lion Energies. We're just going to disconnect all this stuff right now.
The first one will be the worst one.
Yeah, the first one's tough. Just stick a screwdriver in the side.
Look, screws, and we'll just run a fucking light bolt through it.
You know what? What if we put a cable on one and lifted it by that?
You could.
Give me a nut. Do I have both in there?
Yeah, I know. Down and hit that
my first thing my brain told me to do was put it across and it'll be a handle. Is that okay to pull on, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can grab onto this a little bit, just to supplement something.
Get you on the ledge, maybe. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think there's not a lot of gripping power there, buddy. Let's roll this bitch out here like this so I can get on the edge of it.
There we go. Got it. So there we go. The battery bank box is empty right now. We're gonna get those Lion Energy batteries and put them in here. I found a couple of loose screws from out of the DC panel. Rob's just replacing right now. I dropped those at some random time, but good thing I found them. But yeah, this box is twice the size that I need, so I'm gonna have to build a little wall to like hold them in a little bit, but that's no big deal. I'll be able to whip that together real quick. What's happening? I'm just here for light support.
We'll just make up the 2 battery cables that jump the terminals. Then we're going to relocate your ground bus up, tidy it up, and relocate your circuit breakers over in the space that we're going to create there. Try and tighten everything up so you can store other things over here. So, awesome. A lot less room with lithium ion batteries than them AGMs for sure, and a lot lighter.
Getting way up inside the bread truck, I got to heat shrink a battery cable up here in the solar system. I got to put heat shrink on this cable right here. We're just putting ends on everything, making it all nice and neat. I just spent all night long looking at the bread truck, just running the power, running on the Lion Energy lithium batteries all night long, just to see how much they would drain. And today we hooked up the solar panels and we got it all reconnected, so it's charging now. Seems to be working great. I went to bed with 80% battery life on the 2 UT1300s, and this morning they were at 40%. I had the fridge running on freezer mode all night, all the lights and a fan. That's pretty much it, but it hasn't been like fully charged yet. So the sun just came out. It's been raining all day. It's putting a proper charge on these batteries right now, tightening up all the leftover loose wires and just getting it really neat and bundled up together. But it is working amazing. It's just nice to have ample power. You can leave it on as long as you'd like. Here we have the refrigerator. The voltage is not going to ever read right. It says 12.6, but it's not even close to what it is. I don't know why it's at 12.6, but it's 19 degrees, been running at 19 degrees all night. So the fridge is nice. Nothing inside right now, but it is cold. It is frozen. How's it going, Rob?
Going great. Going great.
I'm gonna bring the fan down here for you.
I won't be here very long.
Oh.
Probably not working.
Sweet.
Just cleaning up, cutting off cable. I gotta go run and grab my lights so I can cut off some of the cable ties.
I can get them if you want.
You're gonna have to edit this out, but
cut. Down here under the bed, we're doing some last final detail touches on this solar system. It's looking better than ever right now with the Lion Energy batteries in there. They've been working really well all night long, and they seem to be working great. I'm just making a bar right now that's gonna make this battery bank fit these Lion Energy batteries. It's a little divider bar that's gonna go in right here just to keep them locked in place. So there it is. That's my system, all buttoned up and finished and nice and neat. I gotta cut off a few of these cable ties, but other than that, we are all set to go. My 2000 watt Ames inverter charger converter is in. The 300 watt little tiny pure sine wave inverter that I love, I use this for most everything, is in. These have both been on for the last 24 hours. And my two Lion Energy UT1300 lithium LifePO4 battery packs are in. They are kicking. The charge controller is charging them right now, and they're getting their first charge off the solar panels. Next to it, I built a little space with my additional room I gained from getting rid of the other. I had a 4 battery system. I gained a little room to store a solar generator. The EcoFlow Delta is going right there. That's where it's going to stay and live, and the charging unit is going to be here where I can just power it off my inverter and charge it off of my solar system right here. Up front, I have a separate cabinet for the Max Oak Bluetti EB150. So that's it. Thank you so much, Lion Energy. Lion Energy. Lithium power in the bread truck. I'd like to thank everybody over at Lion Energy for doing a promotion deal with me on these batteries. It definitely upgraded the bread truck to a whole nother level. The power system seems endless now. Like, I didn't really have to worry about power much before, but now I have a whole lot to work with. I'm going to be adding more and more solar panels and upgrading it further and further, but this is a great start. Two Lion Energy UT1300s is 210 amp hours of battery bank, and that's a pretty good amount for me. It's more than what I had with 4 AGM batteries. So I'm gonna get up out of here, and thank you again, Lion Energy, for the lithium batteries. Bye.